My name is Noah Montez. I'm the executive chef at Cuisine for Healing. I am an alumni of the Culinary School of Fort Worth from 2018. I did my externship here and I've been here ever since. Every day is a little bit different here at Cuisine for Healing. So most days we're prepping food for our clients for their meals, but some days we're doing recipe development. Some days we're doing, nutrition facts. It kind of just depends on day to day. So at Cuisine, we do all organic meals for cancer patients and people fighting life-threatening illnesses. We also sell our meals as a meal prep service for people who are just looking to eat healthy and clean, and also support our mission as well. We were established in 2008 by a woman named Wendy Wilkie, and she was a single mom with breast cancer, and through her struggle and everything, she decided that she wanted to help others who might be in the same position as her. When I started as an extern, obviously I was very nervous, but really our environment and our kitchen, our culture is just great for anyone who just wants to learn and, wants to know a little bit more about nutrition and helping people. It's been great to learn different cooking techniques that I didn't know in school, kind of different flavor combinations and cooking for different dietary needs. When I was an extern, when I graduated, I was hired on full-time and eventually became a sous chef, and now I'm the executive chef. It's great to kind of watch Cuisine grow, but also, my career grow as well. A lot of students, they've gone through and learned some nutrition, cooking. Also, alternative cooking is something else that you learn in the culinary school as far as doing, nutrition facts for recipes and for meals. And I think that's super helpful as a stepping point whenever they start here. As far as sustainability goes, we really strive to cut our food waste in ways by using veggie scraps to make broth. Any of our food that doesn't get sold in our lobby, we either donate to the homeless or to a women's shelter. We also compost all our food scraps in a compost bin in the back, and we use that for our garden. Put more veggies in there from the broth. So we've been getting externs from the culinary school ever since 2017. And everyone's been fantastic. Everyone who starts with us is just so eager to learn. And as they're exiting the culinary school, they really have all the kind of core essentials that they need to be able to be successful in the kitchen. And so it's great to be able to kind of take off from that point and teach them a little bit more. We really like to put students with things that they're passionate about. So one of our students was a former teacher. We had her come with us for, cooking demos because she was great at just instructing people. We had another student that was great with numbers and spreadsheets. So he did a lot of our food costing for us. So we really try to get students kind of geared with what they are passionate with. So I think the hands-on learning as far as in the culinary school is fantastic. Really, if you've never worked in a kitchen before, or if you don't have a lot of kitchen experience, it really immerses you in a full commercial kitchen, and you're kind of learning alongside with all your other cohorts. I think it really gets you comfortable with the kitchen environment and what that looks like for your future. If you're interested in health-focused cooking, really the advice I have for you is, try to immerse yourself in different recipes that you might not have tried in the past, using some different ingredients that are foreign to you. Just keep it simple. Try to incorporate as many fruits and vegetables as you can in your dishes, and you'll end up on a healthier route naturally.